आज के सेशन में मैं डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ 5 साइंस वेरी क्विकली, जिससे पेरेंट्स को ये आइडिया लग जाता है कि ये बच्चे एक मैथ के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा पोटेंशियल है एंड उसको एक अच्छा मैथ स्ट्रक्चर उसकी प्रिपरेशन को देना चाहिए. Believe me, I have seen a lot of children around me when they were in KG or maybe first or maybe second were able to do things which were beyond my thinking. The ways to spot the genius. Again, यहाँ पर बहुत बार ऐसा होता है that parents, even the parents and even the teachers are not able to answer the whys. अगर इनमें से 2 या 3 साइंस भी हैं, even if the child is showing 2 to 3 signs, that definitely means they have a very strong problem solving potential. Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Hind. There are a lot of signs which students from grade 3 to 7 give us, which tell us directly or indirectly that they are either already math prodigies or they are going to be one. आज के सेशन में मैं डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ 5 साइंस वेरी क्विकली, जिससे पेरेंट्स को ये आइडिया लग जाता है कि ये बच्चे एक मैथ्स के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा पोटेंशियल है एंड उसको एक अच्छा मैथ स्ट्रक्चर उसकी प्रिपरेशन को देना चाहिए. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस सेशन. So first of all, statistically speaking, 1 in every 10 kids shows strong math potential, right? So this is the pure stats. Particularly जो grade 3 to 7 है, that is a amazing golden learning phase, because यहाँ पर बहुत amazing base develop होता है, यहाँ पे logic develop होता है, यहाँ पर बच्चों के instincts, intuition develop होती है, and this is one phase which particularly the students who are really good in maths or who show up great potential in mathematics, इनको एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्रोग्राम, इनको एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड तरीके से मैथ की प्रिपरेशन करवानी चाहिए. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अर्ली एक्सपोजर गिव्स अ ह्यूज एडवांटेज. विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट in this session. Okay, so what are different signs? So sign 1 is fast thinking, right? So if the child is able to solve mentally without fingers, is able to do quick calculations or very simple additions like 24 plus 37, right? So without using the school way, right? So without using the carrying over, if he's adding 24 plus 30 and then adding 7, right? So these kind of things, or maybe something else, right? So believe me, I have seen a lot of students around me, children around me, who in the when they were in KG or maybe first or maybe second, were able to do things which were beyond my thinking, right? So अगर ये बच्चे इस तरीके की चीजें कर रहे हैं, अच्छे तरीके से कर रहे हैं, then of course it shows that the child is really interested in mathematics, quick with numbers in daily life, and again it just came no steps. If the answer is just coming to them intuitively without any steps, that definitely means the child has a lot of potential in mathematics. Loves pattern and puzzle. This is sign 2. Enjoys Sudoku, number patterns and games, spot shortcuts which others are missing. And if mathematics to him feels like a very amazing game, right? So this is another, I would say, quality of a student who has a great math potential, and of course, we should be taking it very seriously. Again, give them a number pattern and they'll find the rule fast, right? So I try to, even if the child is in grade 1, 2, 3, and if I meet my friends, children of this age, whenever to some of them, I try to give a pattern which I develop on the spot. A lot of them are able to do that on the spot. And again, it surprises me immensely because वो same pattern grade 7th, grade 8 के बच्चे नहीं कर पाते हैं. Right? So this is a very good way to find whether the child is a child prodigy or is going to be one. The third is asking why. If we ask the why of every rule, you tell him a rule, he doesn't take it as it is, but again he asks you, why is this working, right? So and this particularly starts at grade 5, grade 6 level, right? So seeks logic and not just answers and not just procedures. Questions rules and concepts. Why did this happen? How did this come into place? Curiosity reflects real intelligence, right? So this is again one of the ways to spot the genius. Again, यहाँ पर बहुत बार ऐसा होता है that parents, even the parents and even the teachers are not able to answer the whys, and which brings down the curiosity level of the child, because if the child is asking question and उसको answer नहीं दिए जा रहे हैं, the curiosity level dies down, and this is the major cause जहाँ पर बहुत सारे बच्चे, why their questions are not answered to, they lose interest in mathematics and ultimately start fearing mathematics later down the line. तो बहुत बड़ा reason जो है fear of mathematics का exactly ये है, जब उनके questions का answer नहीं दिया जाता by even the experts, right? So this is very important. इस चीज को satisfy karna is very important. And again, when they are not satisfied with just memorize it, it is, I mean, this is not the way, right way to do math, right? So in most of the cases, children are given the rules and they're not explained the logic. Even if the child answers, asks why, is not given the proper answer, तो उसके बाद से the interest of mathematics is definitely going to die down. अगर तुम बच्चों को बोलोगे ये रट्टा मार लो एंड वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो कि अगले 5 साल वो रट्टा मारेगा मैथ को particularly, is never going to do that, right? So it is a human instinct to ask why, and it is our responsibility to answer those whys. Connects math to life, right? So when you're going to shop, he's adding things up and doing math stuff on his own, and he's helping you. So that is again one of the ways that the child has or is really interested in mathematics. Applies math in shopping, sports, and time. Mentally calculates everyday situations, and math becomes a habit and not a subject. So it's a habit for him, and it is not only a subject. That means the child is really interested in mathematics, and of course we should definitely do something to create or elevate his interest in mathematics, right? So something like this: do they calculate the change before the cashier does, right? So if you've shopped and there's an amount that you're paying, how much money are you going to get back? Is he able to count before the shopkeeper hands over the money to you, right? So this is one of the ways, and of course he's able to connect mathematics to sports and time. Then that means we should definitely be working on it. The last one is enjoys challenges, so doesn't give up on tough problems, right? So he's not, if there is a problem which is unknown to him, he doesn't say this is not done in school, ये तो मैम ने करवाया नहीं, right? So this is not the answer. Find excitement in difficulty, even if he's able to solve, even if he's not able to solve a given problem, but again, still he's excited to work on it every day. Has natural growth mindset, right? So ये वाला जो चीज है ना, ये बहुत कम बच्चों में मिलता है, right? So this is something which we find in very less students, but अगर ये किसी में मिल रहा है, this is a great sign that the child wants to be a problem solver, he wants to be in that domain, right? So this is very important. अब यहाँ पर जो मैंने 5 साइंस बताए, इट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट कि ये सारे के सारे साइंस हर बच्चे में हो. अगर इनमें से 2 या 3 साइंस भी हैं, इवन इफ द चाइल्ड इज showing 2 to 3 signs, that definitely means they have a very strong problem solving potential, right? So if your child matches even 2 or 3 of these signs, that definitely means there is a great potential. He definitely, if we work on him in a structured way, he definitely is going to be a great problem solver in life. Now, why does this matter? Because these are the 3 important things. So one is by giving him a structured way of studying something, we are improving and working on his logic, right? So structured thinking that carries into every subject and career, and that is not only going to help him in mathematics but all the other subjects, because once the child is able to get deep in any one of the subjects, it is going to replicate in other subjects also. The second is confidence. So knowing that they have the capability of solving a hard problem even in one subject, this gives them a lot of confidence, and I mean, they at the back of the mind know that they will be able to do this in life, right? So this is very important. So किसी भी एक सब्जेक्ट के अंदर अगर वो डेप्थ है बच्चों के अंदर, they know at the back of the mind consciously that of course that skill they'll be able to apply in other aspects of life also. And thinking ability, creative problem solving that goes far beyond the classroom, right? So again, as I mentioned, अगर जब तक उस बच्चे की आदत पड़ गई है कि कोई भी अनसॉल्व प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना, समथिंग दैट ही इज नॉट सॉल्व बिफोर एंड इज नॉट सेइंग कि मैम ने करवाया नहीं है, आई थिंक ही इज someone who is going to be wanted in life, right? So because now the world requires problem solvers. The problems which have not been solved before, there are going to be a lot of unseen problems which are going to come up in the life. जिस तरीके से टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांस हो रहा है, जिस तरीके से we are going to moon, we are going to Mars, there are and other advancements which are happening. There are going to be a lot of potential for the students who are problem solvers, who know how to solve problems. And that does not mean solving mathematical problems. That means this aspect of solving an unknown problem is very important. अगर वो hunger है जो कि यहाँ से शुरू हो जाती है. So again, once the child knows that he is capable of solving an unknown problem, even if that's a math problem, he knows at the back of mind that कि अगर यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी unsolved problem है जो solve नहीं हुई, जो पहली बार बच्चा देख रहा है, तो वो solve तो कर लेगा, वो confidence आ जाता है. So this is what problem solving does. Okay, so now with the right direction, these skills can grow even further. There are the courses that we have launched for Vedantu Olympiad School junior students, that is students of grade 3rd to 6th, जहां पर program का structure जो है ना बहुत amazing है. Every class is divided into 3 segments. So one is a 40-minute core class जहां पर हम whys का आंसर करते हैं. The second is in every class there is a thought puzzle, thought problem that is given to the children, जो कि class के अंदर discuss होता है with different students, and also sometimes we ask students to discuss this with their parents and come back in the next class. The third is the fast calculation skills, which are again very important. So every class is divided into these 3 segments. So these are the batches which we have launched. Grade 3 weekend, grade 4 weekend, grade 5 weekend, grade 6 weekend, and there is grade 7 batch. You can see the starting date, you can see the class dates, you can see the timings, if these timings suit you, and if you think the child has a lot of potential, you should definitely join these batches. इनके बारे में ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो बना चुका हूं जहां पर मैंने इन कोर्सेज के बारे में बता दी. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन सी दैट वीडियो आल्सो, एंड द लिंक्स आर देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स of this. Okay, so that's it from my side. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if your child shows any of these skills, please put this or comment in the description of this particular video. Take care. God bless you. Bye everyone.